Welcome to the HCA East Florida Division StaRN program, a part of our year-long nurse residency program.
The StaRN program, the learning that they provide you is immeasurable.
I was referred to the StaRN program, which turned out to be the best thing that ever happened to me.
That helps you refresh on things that you went over in nursing school. It kind of gives you the rundown of the main things you'll need as a new nurse.
StaRN stands for Specialty Training Apprenticeship for Registered Nurses.
First of all, it's sometimes very difficult for a nurse to get a job right out of school. So our program is designed to help them do that and to get them ready to working in the hospital setting. So it really is ultimately designed to set them up for success.
Nurses who complete the program will receive a host of certifications, as well as valuable real-world nursing experience.
So the instructors that we have here are HCA employees, but a lot of them actually started off in the StaRN training program as new grad nurses.
Instructors here were top-notch.
The first few weeks of the StaRN program are spent in daily classroom instructions.
So by the time the new graduate nurse enters the actual acute care setting in the hospital, they're much more prepared, 10 steps ahead of where they might have been with a traditional preceptorship.
I advise the StaRN program because it's definitely a way for those new grads to feel more comfortable when they go to the floor.
You'll also train in the StaRN simulation laboratories, state-of-the-art learning environments, complete with robotic patients.
When I use the stethoscope and you feel the stethoscope touch you, just go ahead and take a deep breath in and out for me, okay?
During the last few weeks, StaRN places you into a hospital setting, working the floor alongside a supportive guide called a preceptor.
I had a great preceptor. She was very knowledgeable. She was very willing to train me, and I was very willing to learn.
That nurse helped me with time management, helped me with workflow, helped me with critical analysis on the floor with the patient load that we were carrying at that time.
Once your StaRN program has been completed, you'll finish out the year in the HCA Nurse Residency program.
Well, the Nurse Residency program is a new program that we're actually embarking on in the East Florida Division. It follows the StaRN program, and it lasts for approximately 9 months.
I mean, the biggest thing with working with HCA is the endless opportunities. There is so much opportunity for career growth throughout all of our divisions, or even in our division alone, down here in South Florida. The opportunities are endless.
You're able to grow as a nurse, but there's also, a lot of growth within the company that you're able to advance in you can further your education.
When Greg entered the StaRN program, he started in a medical surgical unit, but he knew eventually he wanted to grow into a specialty unit.
Would I want to go directly from the school setting directly into the cath lab? And I would say no. It doesn't give you the foundation that I would have needed, the critical thinking skills I would needed.
Working the medical surgical unit first provided Greg with a great foundation, and after time, HCA was able to train him in a specialty unit. StaRN, HCA's East Florida Division, created the program. We help develop graduate nurses into great nurses. Come join our growing team as a registered nurse.